Hi guys, so today in this video you will get to know that how can you set up a free VPN on your Linux operating system. So let's dive into it. So now I will open this file and here you can see I have a command and I have two links. So on the other hand I will open my terminal. I will type here sudo, hit enter and give my password. Now I will just copy the command and paste here. The command is sudo apt install openvpn and hit enter to start downloading openvpn on your Linux operating system. So as you can see I have already installed it, so it won't take too much time. In your case it will take some time. So now I will just copy the link. Now open your search engine and paste the link and hit enter. So in this video I am going to show you that how can you download Proton VPN. So if you have already an account, so you can just sign in, and if you have not an account, so you can just click here create account. So here it is asking select your pricing plan, so I don't have money, so basically I will just click here sign up for free and continue with a VPN free. So now here I will just give my email address, which is like this, and start using Proton VPN. Click here. Now it is asking email address verification, so I will go to my Gmail or to verify my email address. As you can see, here is a verification code, so I will just copy it, Control C, and I will just Control V paste it to verify my email address. Now my Proton VPN account is created. So if you want to change your password for Proton VPN, so you can just type here choose my own password. So for now I will just copy this and paste it because I will be using this password and later in this video. So now continue with this password. Now download Proton VPN, so I will just close it. So as you can see I have a lot of configuration file, you can download any one of them. So for now I will just go for this one. I will click here download and it will start downloading, and it is downloaded here. Now what is the third step? So now I will just copy this command, Control C, and I will open a new tab and Control V and hit enter. I have created an account a minute ago. I will give my email and here is the password of my email account. Control C and Control V. I will just paste my password and sign in. So now you will also have to copy these two, the username and password. Here is my username and here is my password. So once you read this, now just click here VPN connection. We add a VPN connection and now go for import a saved VPN configuration which I have downloaded. So I will just give the path. I have downloaded the configuration file, so you will just select it and click here open. Now it is asking username and password, so I will just give the username, which is this, Control C, and just paste here, and same as for the password, Control C and Control V and save. So I will just show you my current IP address. What is my IP address. So as you can see, here is my system IP address. If I on my VPN, so no, and if I search it again, so my IP address will change. You can see that my IP address is changed and VPN is also connected. So for this video it will be enough. In upcoming video I will move towards basic tool just like Zfisher, Camfisher, Ghost, Instos, and after that I will move to advanced tool. So if you have any question you can ask in the comment section. See you in the next video. Take care.